Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by using the app controls because that's the fastest way to stop. Tap the red or square stop button and then choose save or discard so the system won't keep recording in the background. Once done, watch the status icon in the notification area. It should disappear. If the screen locked during recording, unlock and reopen the app within 10 to 30 seconds to confirm the session ended. This prevents background processes from continuing to capture audio without your knowledge. If the app control didn't work, move to system-level shutdown. You should force close the app from the app switcher or go to Settings Apps Force Stop, which kills active processes. Then disable microphone permission in Settings Privacy Microphone to block further audio capture while you check logs. Once done, you can also toggle airplane mode or mute to halt network-based uploads. Make sure to re-enable permissions only after verifying the app no longer records or when you trust it again. To finish, reboot your device so any lingering recording processes and temp files are cleared. That step often resolves hidden sessions. Then inspect local storage for saved audio and delete unwanted files, and empty the recycle or trash to free space. If you still see recordings or the app resumes capturing, uninstall the app and run a trusted security scan. That removes persistent or malicious behavior. One troubleshooting tip: if disappearance continues, test with a second microphone app to confirm hardware versus software issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.